And tonight, big changes on the way for families nationwide after President Biden signed the Inflation Reduction Act. So what exactly does this mean for Hoosiers? Rachel Krause talked to a local expert to find out.
It's now law.
There's two pieces that it really addresses. One is healthcare and the other is clean energy.
Kyle Anderson, an economist at IU's Kelley School of Business, says for Hoosier families enrolled in Medicare, paying for prescriptions is getting cheaper.
It limits the amount that Medicare recipients will have to pay out of pocket for a lot of different drugs. And so that's probably the area that would have the biggest impact on families.
This act will also make the largest investment in climate change for the U.S., spending money on clean energy development and providing incentives to develop new technologies to cut down on carbon emissions. Anderson says that can help businesses in Indiana.
But a lot of it has to do with manufacturing and engaging in more environmentally friendly manufacturing processes. And Indiana is absolutely a leader in manufacturing. So it may not be as visible as windmills, but Indiana will definitely benefit from these initiatives.
So how is it being paid for? A big piece of it comes from taxes, mainly impacting large corporations and stock buybacks. Anderson says the majority of Hoosiers won't see any changes in their wallets.
But it does, in fact, lead to a reduction in the deficit over a 10-year period. And that's really important because it's being characterized as a lot of spending, but in fact, the act raises more revenue than it will spend by quite a bit.
Hoosiers are also getting inflation relief from the state. The second round of tax refund checks start going out this week and could hit your mailbox by Thursday. So let's break down how much you should expect. If you didn't get your first payment earlier this year, well, this one will combine your first and second tax refund into one. So you're looking at $325 per taxpayer or $650 if you file jointly. Now, if you did get that $125 payment earlier this year, well, this time around, you'll get $200. People who are on Social Security and were not able to get the first $125 payment are eligible this time around. So how you get that $200 depends on how you're set up with the Department of Revenue. We've posted details at WTHR.com.